Hey everyone, I'm Nick and this is my 2005 Mini Cooper S. And today we're going to go from this to this with some new LED high beams. The first gen of new Minis actually has a couple of ways of mounting the high beams, and lucky for you, I'm going to be able to show you all of them. So let's get started. Let's start by taking a look at the LEDs we're going to be installing. So these are from AUTOONE and they're H7 bulbs. Come in a nice cardboard box. We have a manual, and then the bulbs themselves. It's a standard H7 shape in such a way that the bulb will be vertical. So we've got LEDs on each side, an aluminum housing for heat dissipation. These are actually marked positive and negative, though that doesn't matter actually. In the manual we have some specs. These are 6000K white. The operating range is 9 volts to 18 volts. Waterproof, big working temperature, and non-polarity, which means you can't connect them the wrong way. And there's an installation reference too. We want the bulb to be inserted this way with the LEDs at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. And with that, we're ready to install these in the car. Now this here is a regular base headlight. And you've got your low beam right here and your high beam right here. If we look in here, you can see the connector there. You could remove that first. Unplug that, and you can see there's a little hook right here that retains the back of the bulb. So to release the bulb, you want to push this down and over. That we can flip out of the way. And you can pull this out. You can see there's a notch in the top here. So when we go to put in our LED, we can put this towards the top. And the way it's designed, it will actually make sure that the LEDs on either side are at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, which will have the right beam pattern. Just make sure that's flipped down. Drop this in like that. Then lock it in and plug it back in. I actually like this style because it's toolless, easy to use, but later on they did change it to something that I guess is a little bit more involved. Then just cover it back up and you're good to go. Next we have these Aftermarket DEPO headlights on my parts car. Oops, they look like that. Same thing, low beam, high beam. This one's cap is missing. Now in here we have our plug. Pull that straight back and out of the way. And you can see there are a couple of little ears there. Right there. Now to release these, you have to push in and over. So push down and inward. So this one over to the right. And then it flips down and you can get your bulb out. Same thing, this will go to the top, slide it in, grab your LED, pop that in there, swing this back down, and hook it in. In place, and we can plug it in. This one's a little bit harder because of the 2 retainers, but if you have stock headlights, you'll probably have the previous style or what I'm going to show you next. Now these headlights have the low beam HIDs or bi-xenons, but the high beam is still an H7 bulb. See, our low beam is in here and our high beam is in here. And on these headlights, we have a twist cap. So pop that off. And with that off, we can get to our high beam. Let's get the plug off, move it out of the way, and you can see there are a couple of clips, like here, here, and here. And those are like spring clips that retain the edge of the bulb. So what you can do is use a screwdriver on the side here, on the bottom, and get it out. And in a pinch, if you only have your key, you could actually just push on this with your key as well. But just make sure you don't damage it. So get in here push the bottom tab. And yeah, so maybe leave it plugged in so it doesn't fall out. The same as on the others. Little top notch will go towards the top. So in this orientation. And then you just push it in and it'll snap in. Just be careful when you push in to not squeeze the prongs together, and then plug it back in. There we go. And on the other side is the same thing. It even says top here. And on this one, we'll leave it plugged in first. Reach in, push down on this tab. There we go. Pull your bulb out. You actually pull this one back in first. Align it, or notch up at the top. And there we go. And we're done. Nice. Now let's make sure they work. Low beams. Low beams are on. Something to remember is that the high beams are also DRLs, but we'll be able to see that better later. Our high beams are on. Let's go to DRLs. They're lit but dimmer. This isn't so bright out, the camera's having trouble showing the bulbs on. So let's wait till it's night. And there we have our DRLs on. And actually turn the headlights on and see what it looks like. So the DRLs, high beams, and their headlights on. That is a lot brighter. Again, like this, DRLs, high beams. With the low beams on, the new bulbs are off. They come back on for the high beams. Let's get our DRLs, low beams, high beams, low beams, and DRLs to high beams. It's nice and bright. And that's the AUTOONE H7 LED bulbs installed. They're a really nice upgrade for night driving, a lot brighter than the stock halogens, and they're easy to install so you don't have to worry about polarity and things like that. If you're going to get some of these for your car, I'll leave links in the video description, and I want to say a big thank you to AUTOONE for sending me these to review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and to hype it, and if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.